shrimp and grits. Who's pumped for this? If you guys are enjoying this content, don't forget to like this content here. Also, click on the bell. Come on, be a part of the notification. Let me show you how easy it is to make shrimp and grits. My way, my style, my twist. Don't blink. First things first, let's make our shrimp sauce. So I got 2 tablespoons of olive oil going in. I better not see any comment that says, Quang, this is not authentic. Guys, like I said, this is my twist and take on it. Don't let me get into the word authentic again, guys. I got 4 bratwursts here. Yes, I know, guys, not andouille sausage, but I got 4 bratwursts. Once I got them nice and charred, half a cup of onions, 1 whole bell pepper. I'm gonna sweat out these veggies. I'm gonna go back to my sausage. I'm gonna take some scissors and cut in my bratwurst. I know, looks weird, but trust me, guys, in the end, it's gonna be good. I promise. Mix that in. Once I got the sausage nice and cooked, what I'm gonna do is just take it out and leave it to the side. In the same pot, let's fry up some Cajun shrimp. So I got 1 tablespoon of butter going in, a half a teaspoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Mix that in with the butter. Just got that nice and mixed. 2 pounds of shrimp. Since the sausage is a little salty already, I'm just gonna do half a teaspoon of garlic salt. Toss in back my sausage and pepper and onions mixture. Mix that in. Throw in half a cup of chicken stock. To thicken the sauce up, I got 1 tablespoon of flour here dissolved into 2 tablespoons of water. And this will thicken up nicely. Grits time. So I got 3 cups of milk here. To this milk, 2 tablespoons of butter. Once my milk catches a light boil, I'm gonna add in 1 cup polenta corn. Whisk. There it is. This is your grits. I'm gonna do a touch of salt. Last touches to this, half a cup of cheddar cheese. Well, I don't have half a cup, but throw in half a cup of cheddar cheese, guys. Whatever I just have left, I just throw it in. Before we start plating, I got these jumbo shrimp as well that I wanna grill up. So I got 1 tablespoon of butter going to my frying pan. In goes my semi-giant shrimp, deveined and deshelled. I'm just keeping this nice and simple seasoned, so salt, smoked paprika. Alright, let's put this together. So down goes our polenta, not polenta, our grits. I'll fan that out. On goes our shrimp and sausage sauce. I'm just gonna pile it on there. Lastly, our jumbo shrimp. Finish this off with some green onions and just a dash of, you guessed it, smoked paprika. Just a dash, just for that color. There it is, guys. Homemade shrimp and grits. When are you guys gonna come by and grab some? Quick time, guys. Homemade shrimp and grits. So take a little spoonful of this, throw onto my plate. That looks bombs. Maybe 2 scoops. Look at that. Alright, check out my grits right here. Take the first bite of this. Wait. You know what? I don't know why I just gave you the polenta or the grits. Guys, here. Shrimp and grits. Take the first bite of this. Quick time. Yes, got it. Nice. I'm super pumped. It's just perfect. I'll tell you why it's just perfect. I did not over season the polenta, or I keep saying polenta, the grits. The sauce is well seasoned already. And it just balanced out so well. The polenta, no, the grits. Nice, smooth, creamy, slightly sweet because of the corn. Cajun shrimp, guys. Quick time. Nice. You can't go wrong with smoked paprika and just salt and butter. That's the ultimate combo right there. I still gotta find a smoker, because I gotta smoke some smoked paprika. Buying it in stores is just overboard expensive. You just gotta do it at home. That is beautiful. I know, guys, not your way of making grits, shrimp and grits, but let me ask you guys this. If you guys say it's authentic, not authentic, who holds the authentic shrimp and grits recipe? Let me talk to her or let me talk to him. Then I'll interview him or her. Some may say my grandma makes the most authentic shrimp and grits. Some may say my grandpa does. Some may say the chef at this place does. Let me tell you guys this. I guarantee you they do not have the same recipes. It's their twist and take on it. And that's the beauty of cooking, guys. Easter's coming this Sunday or Monday. What do people eat on Easter? That's what I'd like to know. Wow. This is awesome. But I'm getting very from it. It's like the same texture or taste that's lingering through my palate. That's bombs. The easiest recipe you guys will ever see on my channel. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, don't forget to pick up one of your bomb shirts. Our Food and Life's a Beautiful Thing shirt. Like, share this. Peace out.